This is a TriScan machine for the farm Westphalia surge, and what I'm going to be doing is changing the battery because the battery doesn't last on it. To get at the battery, it looks like that there's a couple screws on the feet pads, and then it has a thorax screw on one of the feet. Alright. I don't know if that one has to come off. It's just a little screw actually. Alright. Looks like there's the other one on the side at the top right here. Okay. Now let's see what we can do. The top seems to be coming off. Okay. And that is the inside. Interesting. Has like a scan disk in there. Look at that. Has 1 gigabyte scan disk. Interesting. And it's Actel. So this battery is a VRLA rechargeable battery. It's 12 volt, 2.3 amp hour. And then it has a little fuse that connects to that. So we'll see if we get. I'm just gonna try out the voltage here. We'll see if we get 12 volts, you know. So right now we are getting 12 volts. Okay, but I think this battery's getting low or something. So we'll see if we can get a replacement. It's a BP 2.3-12. So let's see if I can order a new battery. So I got a replacement battery here from Universal Battery. So we'll see if it fits in to this here. Looks about right. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to cut this off. It has these kind of clips here. Okay. snip that off. Okay. So this comes off here, and then has a nice little padding. That's interesting. And then we'll just plug this in here. So this is a brand new battery. Well, I think I'll have to put some wire to make it so the battery doesn't fall down when I put it back up. So, yeah. Okay. Just taking those, and then we'll tie in the new battery, just so it doesn't fall out. Okay. There we go. So it's in there good. And now we'll just put it back together. Then it has 3 long screws that are just normal. And then it has that safety hex screw.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.